What's up, YouTube? Back again. Shit went left. Car's totaled. I really don't know what to do. But I'm alive. I made it out. Gonna be showing you guys the impact and everything that happened. But I'll keep you guys updated on the situation. I'll make a separate video on what actually went down. So I'll be adding the video clip to this car washing video that I had and talked about everything. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys.
What happened? I don't know. Did you find the girl's phone with the glasses? What about the glass? Your glasses?
Your glasses are probably broken. You need ones. There's no point of going in there trying to find it.
Hold on. Damn, you got food here? Yeah. No, they're not broken.
You're not?
No, I found them. Come on. I'm looking for the rest of it. What about your friend's glasses?
This is worse than I thought it would be. If we hit the tree any harder, the hood would have hit me.
No, I found Michelle's glasses.